Bonjour, comment allez-vous? C'est Alex Malaise du restaurant Et Voilà à Washington DC. Today I explain you a pastry recipe and I try during long time explain the pastry recipe and the cooking recipe for make home with all ingredients you have in your fridge or in your storage. But today I start with the chocolate mousse. Dark chocolate mousse, 64% of cacao. And I explain you all the ingredients you need today for make this one. But first I sanitize my hand for this difficult period now. Or you need wash your hand with hot water and soap. And now I explain you all the ingredients you need for make this recipe. Of course, you need dark chocolate, 64%. Here is the Barry Callebaut chocolate. You need heavy cream, butter, eggs, sugar, and salt. On the tools and equipment you need a small mixer. You need one big bowl for make the mix. You need a whisk, spatula, pastry bag, a scissor or knife for cut the pastry bag, and just the microwave. Donc for now, I put the chocolate on the plastic container. I put the butter with. And the cream. After you need to separate the white eggs and the egg yolk. And you broken the eggs. White. Because after you have more difficult for mix very well the white eggs with the sugar. That is the part of the recipe, take little bit time. But here you see, you have the egg yolk, now you need to take out, and you take the shell up, and for the trash. You have the egg white, egg yolk, chocolate with the cream and butter. You put 1 pinch of salt with the white eggs. You put the half quantity of the sugar and you start mix with your mixer. And now is you start like in the French is a blanc d'œuf en neige, like a meringue, and you wait. During this time, you can put the chocolate in the microwave. You just put 2 minutes. During the time you put the chocolate in the microwave, you put the egg yolk, the rest of the sugar, and you start mix little bit with a whisk. No need the mix become white, just dissolve little bit the sugar. Here you see your white eggs become a very cooking. No need mix more because after you have difficult for incorporate in the chocolate mix. Voilà, here you see. Now here I wait You have your chocolate melt in the microwave. Now you mix very well. Now the chocolate is very important. You put in the microwave 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes. After all your chocolate with a spatula, you put in your egg yolk. Mix. And you mix very well with a whisk. Yeah, now the mix is ready. You add a little bit white eggs and you mix. You start mix with a whisk. The rest of the white eggs, and this part you need to incorporate with a spatula. But you need to make that slowly, not like a barbarian people, because you need to take a time for that. And after, if you have little bit piece of white eggs, just with your whisk, you can broken slowly, just for incorporate and broken the white eggs. But you need to make slowly for no broken the texture of the chocolate mousse. Because you need the chocolate mousse very cloud and very light, so it's better make very slowly. You take your pastry bag, you prepare your pastry bag like that, you put in the container for more easy fill up, and your chocolate mousse inside. This liquid is normal. After you need put 3-4 hours in the fridge, and after it's become hard for eating. Now the pastry bag you close like that. You turn a little bit. And with a scissor, you just cut a little bit the top. And your pastry bag is ready for using. You can put all the plate you want in your home, in the glass, in the porcelain container, in the plastic container. You can make a big balls and after make with a spoon the quenelle. That depends your choice. The recipe here you have for 7-8 small chocolate mousse. And you have just 8 for this time. Now your chocolate mousse is ready. You can put in the fridge during 3-4 hours. After that it's ready to eat. You can garnish the chocolate mousse with the crunchy pearls. Here is the crunchy pearls chocolate from the Valrhona company. And you can put like that. After, if you want, you can garnish with the homemade cigarette russe cookies. That's it for this week. I hope this recipe you can enjoy with your friend or family, and you can follow me next time for maybe recipe of rice pudding or vanilla crème brûlée, maybe. I don't know exactly, depend what can I have in my fridge and in my storage at this time.